Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 121, Estoppel against denying capacity of payee to endorse. Section 121 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 provides that the maker of a promissory note and the acceptor of a bill payable to order cannot, in a suit by a holder in due course, deny the payee's capacity to endorse the instrument. The provision protects holders in due course and promotes confidence in negotiable instruments by preventing disputes regarding the payee's authority to negotiate the instrument. 1. Meaning of estoppel. Estoppel is a legal principle that prevents a person from denying or contradicting a fact that he has previously accepted, represented, or acted upon. Under Section 121, certain parties are barred from denying the payee's capacity to endorse the instrument against a holder in due course, thereby ensuring consistency and fairness in commercial dealings. 2. Purpose of Section 121. The object of Section 121 is to preserve the negotiability and reliability of promissory notes and bills of exchange payable to order by protecting bona fide holders and facilitating their free circulation. The provision prevents technical objections from defeating commercial transactions, promotes confidence in mercantile dealings, and safeguards persons who acquire instruments honestly and for value. 3. Parties covered by the section. The section applies to the maker of a promissory note and the acceptor of a bill of exchange payable to order, both of whom are precluded from denying the payee's capacity to endorse the instrument. 4. Applicability to bills payable to order. The section specifically applies to bills of exchange payable to order, as their transfer depends on the payee's ability to endorse, thereby protecting subsequent holders who rely on such endorsements. 5. Meaning of capacity to endorse. Capacity to endorse means the legal ability or competence of the payee to transfer a negotiable instrument by endorsement. It includes the ability to understand the transaction, validly execute the endorsement, and transfer rights in the instrument, and Section 121 prevents makers and acceptors from later disputing such capacity. 6. Protection of holder in due course. The estoppel operates only in favor of a holder in due course, who acquires the instrument for consideration, in good faith, and without notice of any defect in title. 7. Effect of the estoppel. The maker or acceptor cannot, as against a holder in due course, contend that the payee lacked legal competence or was incapable of making a valid endorsement. Nor can they argue that the endorsement was invalid due to the payee's incapacity, as the law treats the instrument as validly negotiable in the hands of a holder in due course. 8. Reason behind the rule. Section 121 is based on the principle that a maker or acceptor who creates or accepts an instrument in favor of the payee cannot later deny the payee's capacity to endorse it, thereby protecting innocent holders and commercial negotiability. 9. Importance of negotiability. Negotiable instruments circulate in commerce on the assumption that endorsements are valid and effective, enabling their free and reliable transfer. If makers or acceptors were allowed to dispute the payee's capacity, commercial confidence and transferability would suffer and holders in due course would face unfair risks, which the law prevents through estoppel. 10. Nature of the estoppel. The estoppel under Section 121 is limited to denying the payee's capacity to endorse at the date of the note or bill and specifically bars any challenge to the payee's competence to negotiate the instrument. For more details, contact us.